Hello, welcome to this new tutorial on demo content import of Eleganz Fashion WooCommerce WordPress theme. For this, go to the Appearance theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. And for choosing file, look for exact zip file of Eleganz Fashion WooCommerce WordPress theme. Click on Install Now. It will take few seconds to be done. Now click on Activate and get a list of required plugins to begin installing plugins, and select all the plugins to install and click on Apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugins Installer and again select all to activate, then apply. Now back to the dashboard. Go to the Appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface. There are two types of import: manual import, auto import. And under this auto import, you can import all these demos. Click any one of it to continue and import content. Take few time to complete. Now click Visit Site to view. Eleganz Theme from Shop Builder is designed for creating elegant, fashion-forward online stores with WooCommerce. It offers a highly customizable layout, making it easy to showcase products with style and professionalism. This theme features a drag-and-drop builder for seamless design customization, optimized performance for quick load times, and responsive layouts for all devices. It also includes advanced features like product filters, ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Thank you for watching.